good morning, my viewers. The Dewilis Tia Cahyane will deliver now about the Cianjur Earthquake was caused by landslides in Cugenang Road Access Cuts. In SS, the affected and handling process post-earthquake in Cianjur still continuing. Carried out. Cianjur BPBD data recorded that there were 162 victims dead as a result of the earthquake, and like this, one of the effects of earthquake has a magnitude of 12.6 Cianjur, West Java. Broader in the surface of Cugenang, this earthquake consequently enlarging the mega access. The Cipanas waterway was even to the landslide point in the subterranean. Cugenang is present in Cianjur village. Cianjur, West Java. Cianjur region Herman previously listed. The most affected areas are Cugenang district. From the city of Cianjur, it is about 5 km. And there is a visual pitch up at Amalgama Village, Kuta Village, Wetan Cugenang Sub-District, Cianjur Regency. It also looks like there are a number of tools. There is also to be researched to clean up the Cianjur with waste laid close by less material due to the earthquake. The director of the thing has how not to open even it has not yet been opened. Completely road access. A cleaning of the same material in the form of soil access ongoing. Continuing in the road is confirmed. Rally can be passed again from Ager in the area. From Cianjur, West Java. The sale of the furniture not ordinary fabric. House buildings can be seen as of the reservation 25%. Number of the R42 had to fill because of steel house have remained. That is all from me. Take your life. Good morning. Bye bye.